Hey everybody, it's Mandy Turner with Balluff representing Western North and South Carolina. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite things, online shopping, but for industrial automation parts and cables. So I'll be taking you through the Balluff website and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to find the exact cable that you're looking for in a sea of 6,000 cables. So let's jump on in. All right, I'm on the Balluff homepage. This is if you just type Balluff into Google or follow this link below, you will come to this page, and then we are going to go up here to Product Finder. Here it's going to show us all our different family of parts, from sensors to RFID to vision to our cool smart lights, safety, our IO-Link industrial networking blocks, power supplies, connectivity, and accessories. But today we're going to look at connectivity and our 6,000 different parts in connectivity. So here's the subfamilies within here. We have our single-ended cord sets with flying leads on the end, double-ended cord sets, bulk cables, Y-splitters, all these different things down here. But most of the things that you need are up at the top of the page. So today we are going to go into double-ended cord sets. How many do we have here? We have almost 4,000 different parts here. How are you going to find what you need? There's so many parts. So what I like to do first is come through here and here are all the different things that you could choose and where to start looking. But I like to look at the first kind of style heads that they have. And so today, since we're just looking for a normal prox cable, I'm going to come here and do M12 female. You can see that there's 1,800 of those. And so that's our first style head. And our second style head is going to be an M12 male on the other side. Okay, so that narrowed it down to about half of the double-ended cord sets that we started with. So the next thing I'd like to come in and do is choose the material. And I like to use TPE as one of my favorite cables. If it's available, I like to use it. A little more robust. Okay, so how many do we have now? So that took out a lot. So we have about 300 matches left. And then we can go through and do the cable. Let's say we want a 10-meter cable. It's really cool that you can drag this and have a big range of whatever you want. And you can see all the different options within there. But we are just going to narrow down on a 10-meter cable here. We still have a lot of options. We got 11 now. So we're going to want one of these just normal A-coded, one of these yellow ones. We still have some different colored ones here that are decoded. So we can get rid of those by going through the coding here. The connector one coding, connector one coding, we'll do A-coded and A-coded again. All right, now next we can look at what's on the ends here. Do we want them straight? Do we want a right angle? And which one do we want a right angle on? So this one we're just going to do straight for both of these. And straight. Okay, so now that we got these all look pretty much alike. What is different here? So we go through and it's the amount of pins. And it's the number of conductors through here. So between 4-pin, 5-pin, or 3-pin. So for this one, we are gonna go with this 4-pin here is what we're gonna choose for our application. And so when you come through here, you are gonna have all the different key features, the picture, is really important to make sure everybody's on the same page about all this stuff. You're gonna have the list price, but please contact me and we can talk about special pricing for you. You can also come through and get all these different data sheets that you download, and you don't even need to be logged in or give an email address to get this. You can just get this right off the website, which is really neat. And down here, you're going to have recommended accessories. Not so important for cables, but if you had IO-Link blocks or something a little smarter and needed a lot of things working together with it, that's when that is useful. So there is our cable there, but let's say a week down the line you realize that you need a 15 or 20 meter cable. Do you have to go back and do that all again? Or do you just go to this part page here and you can go to change configuration. And here it is, it's already selected all the filters that we put down to narrow it down to that one cable. So to make the length a little bit longer, I'm gonna go to that cable length settings. And I'm gonna bump it up to 20 meters there. And so here's a bunch of cables that are just like it, but a little bit longer. So here's that 20-meter cable we needed. And we can go to that and have all the information that we need. So that wraps up finding cables. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave comments about things you'd like to see in the future, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any new content coming your way. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about cables or any of our other products. I'd love to talk. My contact information is below and at the end of this video. Thanks guys, have a great day and stay safe.